Hey, it's Kang from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Gemini to Coinbase, step by step. If you want to follow along, check out the full article on our site down in the description below. The first step is to open a Coinbase account. Make sure you use our link in the description to get $5 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up. You will need to create an account with an email and password. Then verify your ID. In order to send or receive cryptocurrencies, you do need a fully verified Coinbase account. Consider completing this step now. After that, it's time to gather information about your wallet. Since you are sending the crypto to Coinbase, you need your Coinbase wallet address. Each one is unique and specific to a certain type of crypto, such as Bitcoin. Locate your Coinbase wallet address following the instructions on screen. Then copy that address for whatever type of crypto you are sending over from Gemini. It's time to finish off the transfer over on Gemini. Open the app and log on to your account. You will want to click on the transfer button followed by withdraw from Gemini. After that, you will need to set the destination, which will be your new Coinbase address. Simply paste in the address copied during step 2. After that, you will need to specify the amount of crypto you are sending. Finally, you will want to check over details for accuracy before clicking on Request Withdrawal. That's all for now. Don't forget to grab your free Bitcoin with the Coinbase link down below.